Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of sorts to do. I ordered some stitch markers from an artist that I follow on Instagram, Witchcrafter Occult. I definitely, if you're into pentacles and coffins and cute little resin art, I definitely recommend checking out their Instagram and their shop. Their products were sold out when I first went to look at their shop. And so I was following them, like, okay, cool. They restock soon. And I was lucky enough to grab something from their shop before they sold out, because they sold out the same day that they restocked their shop. So I am going to unbox it. I've already crossed out the names and everything, but it is from the UK. And we're gonna open it. And I just got it today. I'm so excited. Ah! Oh, look at the packaging. It's adorable. So I am a fan of cute packaging. I'm also a fan of minimal packaging because, if it's not necessary, why include it? And that is all. So now, let's unwrap it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and unwrap it now. I ordered pentacle stitch markers. I also need to mention that this video is not sponsored. I just saw their stuff on Instagram and had to have it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so at first glance they look black, but look at the sparkles in these stitch markers. Oh my gosh, I am in love. So they came with 4, and I think total plus shipping, which actually was really inexpensive. So with 4 plus shipping, I think I paid about $21 US. But they are perfect. I love them. I can't wait to use them. Just look at the sparkles in these resin stitch markers. So if occult stuff is like your jam and you are a crafter and you could use some stitch markers, I recommend checking out Witchcrafter Occult. Witchcrafter Occult. And checking out their products. They make everything. And they are just perfect, and I cannot wait to use them. Also, I love the fact that Witchcrafter Occult crochets themselves. So on Instagram, you can find all of their products. You can find their behind the scenes pictures and pictures of some of their crochet products. I will leave the link in the description below. And definitely check them out if this is something that you're interested in. Again, this video is not sponsored. They did not send these to me for free for a review or anything like that. I bought them because I wanted them, and I'm glad I bought them because I like them a lot, and I cannot wait to use them. So go follow them on Instagram, say hi, tell them Around the Cauldron sent you, and I will see you in my next video.